Hi everyone, and welcome back to Trade Precision. It's Monday, June 20th. Getting back to making videos, and I've got a long position that I'm setting up here on crude oil. It's about 10:25 Eastern Time on Monday. Last week we had a tough time with making videos because we had a webinar that we had to do. We had to prepare for on Thursday. We had some great turnout, and we've had some great turnout in the room. I'm gonna move up. I'm gonna try for. I'm looking at it like a swing high to get my first profit target to like right there around 93.10. So I'm looking to get to. And wow, got filled on the first one already. That was quick. Welcome everybody. Do you see how quick that thing went up there? And occasionally you get trades like that. We had called that trade probably almost an hour ago, or maybe an hour ago, and it took an hour for it to get there. So we say that those support and resistance levels, they work all through the course of the day. So you just want to keep looking for them. Just keep looking for them. And I'm looking to get close to that swing high there. And that's why I did 93.10. So well, that was pretty quick. The room's open like from 8 until 2:30. 8 to 9 we call happy hour. Might try to go to that 40, but I'm going to just see if I can get to 10. 93.10 from where we're at. That's 26 ticks plus the 10 I've already made. That's not bad. We do these things for demonstration purposes so that you can see, and we trade multiple markets in the room. We trade crude oil, gold, the ES, the euro, and we did some Russell trades today in the room. But we're just trying to show you that in this case here, it turned right at the level. It turned right at the level that we picked 74, and that's exactly as low as it got. So it's pretty amazing sometimes how this thing works. It truly is, like that. We're one tick away, and there we got filled already. Okay, that's the first one I wanted to show. Was a crude oil trade, and we'll see what else sets up the rest of the day. Look at that thing going. Yeah, I was thinking about going up to that 93.40. But figuring out where to get out is one of the hardest things you can do in trading. How high to take it, or when to protect yourself. You're going to be stressing about that your whole trading career, and I hope with Trade Precision it's a long one for you. Now it's about 1:15 in the afternoon, 1:25 rather, and we're going to look at 1:15. Excuse me, the other one was 10:25, and we're going to look at a potential short in gold here from 1543 even. This is a little bit different setup. We're getting close in there. We got filled. Okay, so now we're in, and the same type of thing where we've got a 10 tick. And I'm just going to leave it at 20 tick because it's getting near the end of the day. On this one, I'm just going to leave it there. We have our 15 tick stop. Customarily, that's what we do. And as I say, like if you learn the system, you can make it your own, and you can go with whatever stops you're comfortable with, and go with whatever profit target you're comfortable with. I'm just going to keep it right there at that 10 and 20. This trade has taken quite a while to work. We've already been in it about going on 20 minutes now, and we're just now getting down close. We came 2 ticks away from the first profit target. We have ones like that crude oil trade just before, where it turns right at the price. It turns right at the price, turns around and goes and fills. And you have this one here, which it takes it a while for it to. And we take some heat on it. We took about 10 ticks of heat on this one, and now we're getting down close to our first profit target. Like I say, the room will be open again tomorrow at 8 o'clock, and it'll be open all the way through till 2:30. We're doing a training webinar this weekend. Starting there, we got the first one. We got plus 10. and you can see I'm trailing that stop, 19 ticks, just for that. And I'm going for the plus 20 on the second one. I'm not going to fool around and try for too much more than that. And as I was starting to say, we're doing a webinar this weekend, a 3-day event, and we're giving it like a 10% discount on our training. The first day we'll talk about the basic methodology, and then we'll talk about special situations on Sunday, and then on Monday you can spend the day in the pro room and see how that works, and get to reinforce what we learn over the weekend. So if that's something of interest to you, we're offering that 10% discount through Wednesday. So you may want to get in as quick as possible. It promises to be a lot of education. We had 3 people who learned the system on Sunday, and we appreciate the support. The room's been the biggest it's been these last couple days, and we hope to keep it that way. We're doing some great calls in the room, and it's just and you can make these calls for yourself. They're just so you can see them. You can see the setups, and there's nothing guesswork about it. It's a set number. We know what it is, and we can do it. And you can do it too. All our entries, we're getting down close to that second profit target there, and you can see it took a long time. It took almost 45 minutes or something like that for this thing to get down there. What I was starting to say is, all your entries are 100% clear. If you listen to me in the room, there's no, well, it's maybe this, or we're in a buying zone or a selling zone or anything like that. They are all 100% clear. They are all objective. And like in this one and in a lot of other cases, you have plenty of time to make your entry, to get your entry in. So that's what we shoot to teach you, and that's what we'll teach this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I shouldn't say we, because Mario does all the teaching, but I'll take some of the credit for it. But if you have any questions, you can get a hold of me or you can get a hold of Mario. And this is like it's like watching an ES trade here, waiting for this one to fill. It's taken so long, but usually gold and oil are the ones that work for us really quite well. But it's just taking its time here. But I think it's and there it goes. It goes back in the opposite direction. Boy, it's really getting active now. It's coming back down towards it. Back to like there we go. We got back down. We're within a couple ticks. We got down to 1 tick now twice, and there we're just sitting. And they know where we're at. And maybe that entering right at the 1541 or trying to get out at 1541 even might be tough. Maybe we should try to get out at 19. It's probably just going to, once it goes through that, it might be like a support level or for other people, not for us. And there we got filled. That's great. Okay, so that's enough for today. We hope to see you all in the room tomorrow. If you have any questions, give us a call. And thanks a lot. And everybody have a great night. And we'll see you in the happy hour tomorrow at 8 a.m. Bye, everyone.